What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Finance Boss. It's your boy Rob, and let's be real. Who actually enjoys the whole hustle thing? Want to make money without lifting a finger? Perfect. Because I lost my will to hustle somewhere between coffee number 3 and episode 6 of that Netflix binge. So, if you're anything like me, you're probably wondering if there's a way to make money appear out of thin air. Well, maybe not thin air, but how about while you sleep? That's right, we're talking about passive income, baby. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down 7 ridiculously easy ways to make money without even trying. We're talking set it and forget it money-making machines. Get ready to kiss your 9-to-5 goodbye, or at least daydream about it while your bank account grows. Really quickly before we get started, I'd like to remind you that I upload frequently on this channel, so if you enjoy my videos and love financial tips and ideas, you'd might as well hit the subscribe button. It costs you nothing, and it helps me tell the crazy YouTube algorithm that more folks should see my videos. Now let's get started. Alright, first up we've got dividend stocks. These are a fantastic way to build a steady stream of income without having to do much after your initial investment. Now, before you click away thinking this is some boring finance stuff, trust me, this is good. Dividend stocks can be a game changer for your financial future. Basically, when you buy dividend stocks, you're buying a tiny piece of a company that likes to share its profits with you. It's like having a small stake in a business that pays you regularly. Think of it like this. You buy a share of your favorite pizza place, and every time they sell a pizza, they slip you $1. It's a simple and effective way to earn. You're not making the pizzas, you're not serving them, you're just chilling, collecting your dough. It's passive income at its finest. And the best part, you can literally be earning money while you sleep. Imagine the peace of mind knowing your investments are working for you around the clock. Imagine waking up from a dream where you're stuck working overtime, only to find out you actually made money while you were out cold. It's like a dream come true. That's the magic of dividend stocks. They can provide a reliable source of income that grows over time. Now, I'm not saying you'll be swimming in cash overnight. It takes time and patience to see significant returns. But with a little research and some smart investments, you can build a steady stream of passive income that'll have you feeling like a financial genius. It's all about making informed decisions. There are tons of resources out there to help you find the right dividend stocks for you. From online courses to financial advisors, the information is at your fingertips. Just remember to do your homework and invest responsibly. It's crucial to understand what you're getting into. Don't go investing your life savings based on my advice. Always consult with a financial advisor if you're unsure. I'm just a guy on YouTube who once ate a whole jar of pickles in under 3 minutes. So, take my advice with a grain of salt. But hey, maybe that's the kind of financial advice you're looking for. Sometimes the best tips come from the most unexpected places. Next up, we're diving into the fascinating world of print on demand. This one's for all my fellow creatives out there who'd rather be binge-watching their favorite show than, actually working. If you've ever dreamed of making money while lounging around, this is for you. Print on demand is exactly what it sounds like. You create a design, slap it on a product like a t-shirt, mug, or phone case, and then let a third-party company handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. It's a seamless process that allows you to focus on your creativity. You literally just create the design and then sit back and watch the money roll in. It's a passive income stream that can grow over time. It's like having your own personal merch empire without any of the hassle. No inventory, no shipping worries, just pure creative freedom. Imagine this. You're sprawled out on the couch, catching up on the latest episode of your favorite reality show, and suddenly you get a notification that someone just bought your "I'd rather be napping" t-shirt. It's an exhilarating feeling knowing your creativity is appreciated. You didn't have to lift a finger except maybe to grab the remote. It's the ultimate lazy person's dream come true. That's the beauty of print on demand. It's a business model that works for you even when you're not working. It's like turning your procrastination into profit. Your downtime can now be your most productive time. And the best part, there are tons of different platforms out there that make it super easy to get started. From Redbubble to Teespring, the options are endless. You don't need any fancy equipment or design skills, just a computer and an internet connection, just a little creativity and a whole lot of laziness. So why not turn your couch time into cash time? All right, let's talk about putting your stuff to work. No, I'm not talking about starting a lemonade stand with your old toys, although hey, if that's your thing, go for it. I'm talking about renting out your assets. We all have things lying around the house that we don't use very often. Maybe it's a spare bedroom, a car that mostly sits in the driveway, or even just a power drill that's gathering dust in the garage. Well, guess what? Those things could be making you money. Platforms like Airbnb and Turo have made it easier than ever to rent out your stuff to people who actually need it. It's like giving your belongings a side hustle while you kick back and relax. I mean, if my stuff can work harder than me, who am I to complain? Plus, it's a great way to meet new people, if you're into that sort of thing. You never know, you might even make a new friend who's willing to split a pizza with you and watch you eat a whole jar of pickles. It could happen. Okay, this next one is for all my fellow shopaholics out there. What if I told you there was a way to actually make money while spending money? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, believe it or not, it's not. Cashback apps are the real deal, my friends. These magical little apps give you money back on purchases you're already making. It's like getting a mini bonus every time you buy groceries, clothes, or even just a cup of coffee. I mean, who doesn't love free money? It's like the universe is rewarding you for your exceptional spending habits. You bought another pair of shoes you don't need. Here's $5 back. You deserve it. There are tons of different cashback apps out there, so it's worth doing a little research to find one that fits your shopping habits. Some apps even offer bonus cashback for certain stores or products. It's like a game, but instead of winning bragging rights, you win actual money. All right, let's get real for a second. Saving money isn't exactly the most exciting thing in the world. It's like, oh, I'm supposed to put this money away for a rainy day instead of spending it on things I want right now. Boring. But what if I told you there was a way to make your money work harder than you ever did? Enter high-yield savings accounts. These bad boys offer higher interest rates than your average savings account, which means your money grows faster without you having to lift a finger. It's like having a personal money-making elf stashed away in your bank account, sprinkling magic interest dust on your savings while you sleep. And the best part? You don't even have to share your cookies with this elf. Now, I know what you're thinking, but Mr. Beast, interest rates are still pretty low these days. And you're right, they're not exactly setting the world on fire. But hey, it's still better than letting your money just sit there in a regular savings account earning next to nothing. All right, this next one is for all my aspiring loan sharks out there, but don't worry, you don't need a shady back room or a couple of intimidating goons to get started with this one. I'm talking about peer-to-peer lending, a fancy way of saying you lend money to people and they pay you back with interest. It's a modern twist on an age-old practice. Think of it like being a bank, but instead of wearing a suit and tie, you can do it from the comfort of your own couch while wearing your favorite pajamas. Imagine sipping coffee and making money at the same time. It's like being a financial superhero, but instead of fighting crime, you're fighting against low interest rates and boredom. You get to be the hero of your own financial story. Now I know what you're thinking, but Rob, isn't lending money risky? And you're not wrong, there's always a chance that someone won't pay you back. It's a valid concern, but that's where peer-to-peer lending platforms come in. They provide a structured environment for your lending activities. These platforms act as middlemen, connecting borrowers with lenders and managing the whole loan process. They handle the nitty-gritty details so you don't have to. They also assess borrowers' creditworthiness to minimize the risk for lenders. This means you can make more informed decisions. So, while there's always some risk involved, peer-to-peer lending can be a relatively safe and easy way to earn passive income. It's a great way to diversify your investment portfolio and make your money work for you. All right, let's talk about the holy grail of passive income royalties. Imagine this. You create something once, a book, a song, a piece of art, and then you get paid for it over and over again for years, even decades to come. That's the power of royalties. It's like planting a money tree that keeps on giving year after year. You put in the work once, and then you get to reap the rewards for years to come. It's the ultimate dream for any lazy person who wants to make money without actually doing anything. Now, I'm not saying it's easy to create a best-selling novel or a chart-topping hit song, but if you have a creative bone in your body and you're willing to put in the work up front, earning royalties can be a lucrative way to generate passive income for years to come. And the best part? You can literally be earning money while you sleep, eat, or even just sit on the couch watching TV. It's like getting paid to do nothing, which, let's be honest, is the dream, right? So there you have it, folks. 7 ridiculously easy ways to make money without even trying. From dividend stocks to print on demand, renting out your stuff to cashback apps, high-yield savings accounts to peer-to-peer lending, and of course, the holy grail of royalties, there are tons of ways to start building your passive income streams today. Remember, it's not about getting rich quick, it's about finding ways to make your money work for you, even when you're not working. So, what are you waiting for? Start exploring these passive income ideas and see which ones work best for you. If you enjoyed these lazy money ideas, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite way to make money while doing nothing. Okay, folks, see you in the next video.